So in the last video you seen where we gave some microgreens to our chickens, and it's a little icy out today. Today we're gonna give some compost to them, and I have my assistant with me today. And today this video is gonna be a little bit different because we're gonna do a little bit of a flashback. What's going on, guys? Or I should say, ladies. And we got one laying over here, it looks like. So today, I want to take you guys back and show you a special place in Virginia, and it's called Polyface Farms. It's the farm of many faces, and it's ran by Joel Salatin. And I hope you guys enjoy this because we really loved it down there, and it was a very, very special farm. All right, check it out. This is downtown. They've blocked off all the streets for people to kind of sit out and eat. This place isn't open yet. Lauren described this as like a movie set, and that's what it feels like. This is where they do the chicken processing here at Polyface Farms. See, they got the cones over here, and they got their plucker. That's where they wash everything out. You guys having fun? Yeah? Look at this natural spring over here. Got some type of water hoses coming down in here too.
No. Alright girls, come in.
Here it is.
Look at the chickens. Oh. Nope, this is just, nope, there's the rabbits.
Nope, there's the rabbits along the walls. And in the middle, wow, okay. Right here's the bedding, all the way down to there. Definitely smell it, but not as bad as it could be.
No, I'd say the worst thing is the flies, but
I don't see a lot of flies. Huh. Oh yeah, I guess so. Looks like a lot of Rhode Island Reds, maybe?
It's an herbivore. So, nobody understands. Can you tell me why all the world's leading Orthodox credentialed PhD experts told me for 40 years to feed meat to an herbivore? No, you can't tell me because they're stupid. All right. This is what we want to know, but he does. What? One person with that little dolly, not starting an engine, no petroleum, whatever. I'm just saying, we're into new territory here, okay? So we've got a real problem in succession here. Who can tell me why this succession problem exists? Anybody hazard a guess?
Cost of entry?
Cost of entry. Bingo. Usually it takes about the fifth person. We got it on the first one. Yeah, the problem is if young people can't get in, old people can't get out. So both generations are stuck. All right? And so what's the biggest single cost of entry? Now you got Dad was the older I get, the smarter Dad was. Everybody have parents like that? All right. So, like Mark Twain said, between 18 and 22, it's amazing how much my dad learned. But when I was between 18 and 22. But, okay.
Huh? It's probably got electricity going through it. I think that fence is on.
I think it's on. There's birds in there.
Taylor. Hey. You having fun? There's 1,000 layers here. They get a quarter acre every 3 days, or 4 days right now. And so we move the structure.
Guys, check this out. If I can get some focus. So these bunnies, as you know, bunnies poo is very high in nitrogen. And so that drops down on the floor. The chickens come in and actually scratch it up and kind of till it and move it along. But I notice if you look over here, these chickens are up there on top of the bunnies, but I see that they put chicken wire. They can only stand, look at, he's having a hard time right there, that chicken. Can only stand right on the edge because he can't actually stand above the bunnies. It looks like the bunnies actually have some tin on top of their roof as well. Probably to keep the chickens from, pooping down on top of them. Check it out. This is inside of this hoop house with chickens and rabbits at Polyface Farms here. So we are at, where are we at?
Polyface.
What did you call it?
Polyface.
Polyface?
Okay.
No, it's Polyface. Yeah. Somebody's shooting. I don't know, maybe they don't want us to be here. Maybe they're trying to scare us off.
I don't think so.
That might be what it is.
I'm very sad right now. I just gave them a score on their chickens.
Yeah?
I'm keeping track of how good they're doing, and right now I gave a 4 to their chickens.
Hey, what's this over here? There's a bunnies.
Oh, maybe those are the grow outs?
Let's go look.
I gave 4, and I'm very sad.
Yeah?
That's what, the least you can get. 4. I'm very sad.
Okay.
I was not expecting to come across the grow outs for the bunnies.
Your other one?
Look, he's got wood on the bottom.
Yeah, I saw that. There you
It's funny.
This is where he is milling the wood from his land to create these structures, and the way it sounded, by doing this, he saves a lot of money. So he's making his own lumber right off of the wood from his land. He owns up into those mountains. He's got pigs and stuff up there too.
So I gave the bunnies 8.
So they can put around 300 cattle in these buildings. And basically they just keep layering wood chips. Right here's all the wood chips. And literally he was saying that a cow could be way up off the ground here in the wintertime. And they're making all this compost that can be used out in the gardens and everything else. Right now I hear what sounds like it might be a guard dog, actually, because I seen some lamb or something back in there. Look how beautiful this is. I guess we're gonna say goodbye. All right, Brooke.
Yes, we have to say bye now. And decide what we're gonna do.
Yeah.